I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone. Make sure you're on Android 8, 0 or later, and have an AMOLED display for deep blacks. Once done, install an always-on AMOLED-style app and grant it display and notification permissions. Make sure to exclude the app from battery optimization so it can run continuously. Next, choose the iPhone-like clock style inside the app and allow overlay permission. This ensures the clock stays visible on the locked screen even when the phone is idle. Now customize the look to mimic iPhone Always On. Select a minimalist clock face with white text and disable extra animations for battery savings. Choose a pure black background so pixels are truly off on AMOLED. This also sharpens contrast. Adjust brightness to a low fixed level or enable adaptive dimming if your app supports it. Make sure notification icons are enabled and set tap to wake for quick interaction. These choices replicate the iPhone feel while preserving finish by testing. Lock the phone and let it sit for 10 minutes to confirm the display stays on and notifications appear. If it doesn't, make sure the app has overlay, notification access, and is excluded from battery optimization. These are the usual culprits. If issues persist, reboot the phone, update or reinstall the AOD app, or try an alternative app. Different launchers and OEM power settings can block AOD. One key tip: check OEM power saver modes and disable them for the app to run reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.